Okay guys, welcome to a very short video. Just out enjoying the sunshine. The temperatures aren't great, but the sunshine is great. And we're going to talk about the three biggest mistakes people make at the Nürburgring. And I'm talking about the average visitor who comes to the Nürburgring for their first ever time. And the three biggest mistakes that I see: number one, not doing any research whatsoever. Now, I would hope that the very fact you've clicked this video means you are outside of that demographic already. But certainly I see people arriving at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Monday and then complaining that the track's not open because they've not even checked the opening times. Or they go up to the gates and they're like, why is this gate not opening? Well, you need a ticket. Oh, I need a ticket. Do I need to buy that? Where do I buy that? Those kind of guys. And yeah, that's mistake number one, doing no research. Mistake number two is coming here with false hopes. Now, I could go into a massive lecture here about the Dunning-Kruger effect, which is basically you are ignorant of what you don't know. So if you don't know it, how on earth are you supposed to know it? And that's what people arrive at the Nürburgring with. You know, they don't know how difficult it is to drive around the Nürburgring because they've not done it. So they arrive and they think, yeah, sure, I saw it on TV. Clarkson did like 10 minutes in the Jaguar, no problem. Sabine did 10 minutes in the Transit. I'll definitely do 10 minutes. And they drive beyond their abilities because they don't know how difficult it is. So people coming to the Nürburgring without reading anything, people coming to the Nürburgring with false hopes of, you know, not even knowing how difficult this is going to be for them. And finally, the third thing is definitely 100% people driving beyond their abilities. Now, I have got nothing against driving beyond your abilities in the correct environment, and that is normally a racetrack. But let me just check this isn't ice. Put on the pegs just in case. Yeah, normally that would definitely be on a racetrack, and the Nürburgring sounds like a great racetrack to push to beyond your limits. But the problem with the Nordschleife is that it's too short, and it's the distances at the edge of the track are too short. So if you make a small mistake, it will end very badly. So it's not a place to push to your limits. It's a place to push to your comfort levels, but not beyond your comfort levels. And as you do more laps, your comfort levels will increase, and it gets better and better. But if you want to learn how to skid a car, if you want to learn, you know, what the limit feels like, then you should 100% go to a normal racetrack with runoff areas, with plenty of gravel, and with, you know, a safety structure that's expecting you to do that. So there you go. A very short video, but one that I hope you find useful and somewhat picturesque. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, do all those things. I'm going to go to my house now. Catch you later.